Morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at or I'm at. I'm in Big Lake, Alaska, and I'm getting ready to switch this damp on there with this one. So I don't know. There must be something on the inside that's different, because they look exactly the same. So and I don't know why I put several radios in here and they don't seem to work, so I don't know. I'm going to try it again here in a little bit. Anyways, the battery light is on. And you can see it's charging. So I don't know how I ended up with this fuse box, but that's the original one that came with the truck, so there must be some difference. Anyways, you got to start by taking these bolts off, get that bracket out of your way, and then there's two clips down here you just push down and pull out, and that'll get this cover off. And it'd probably be a good idea to disconnect your battery, just for the heck of it, when you're playing with electricity. Anyways, once you get your cover off, you get a 7mm here, 10mm here, and you got a 13 right here. Now, just a second. You got two little tabs on each side. You just push them out and it just pops right out. This side over here looks like it's broken. Okay, these are all 7mm, and sometimes you gotta get a screwdriver in there, pry them just a tiny bit, or sometimes they just wiggle out. Now, you got to get all them, and these are probably the two on the bottom there are not too bad, because you can get right out the clips, but the other two, the clips are on your blind side. So anyways, I'll be right back with you. And when you're putting them back on, sometimes it helps just to push it a little tiny bit and then go at the same time. Helps it get right in there. And these aren't they're not very tight. Okay. That's pretty much it. Now you can set it down and hook up the rest of your hookups here in a second. Okay. Well, let's see if it made a difference. It did. It went off. Well, I don't know what the difference in that fuse block is, but there must be some difference because my light just went right off. Now I only have a seatbelt light on. No, oh, that's an airbag light. Well, anyways, mission accomplished. My alternator light went out. Every time somebody sees it, they think it's not charging, but it really is. So whatever. Now it. Bam. Anyways, there you go. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe. Share. Have a nice day. Have a nice life. Happy tow trucking and Silverados and Duramaxes and all that other happy horse shit. Later.